These guys are world winning, and it's awesome. Shama DJ, let's go there. These guys are world winning, and it's awesome. Shama DJ, let's go there.
Baby, when you smile, when you shine your 36. Oh yeah, baby, pause, you come make me take a dip. Slip, baby, you so lit. And you turn around, baby, like a silk pin. Kulu mai tepuja, 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 kulu mai. Fine, walking best. Oh, that I'm messy. Oh, you didn't do me something. Oh, you didn't do me something. So fine, walking best. Oh, that I'm messy. Oh, you didn't do me something. Oh, you didn't do me something. Many boys they fall, different boys they call, but now she falling for you know. She give me her all, you know. They want to play dolls, you know. I want you to find, I must say I die, I must never die, I must say to die, I must Dubai. This kind of pretty man of Dubai. Swear, I'm on, she want to Dubai. Kulu mai tepuja, kulu mai tepuja, kulu mai tepuja, kulu mai tepuja, kulu mai. Fine, not the best. Oh, that I'm messy. Oh, you didn't do me something. Oh, you didn't do me something. Too fine, you're the best.
Now let me take it to Africa now. Get familiar with the name. Shamar. There are more choice, ladies and gentlemen. And we have Shamar on stage. Diamond Choice, ladies and gentlemen. Shama performing on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, Diamond's Choice. Amazing. And we have Shama performing. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome Diamond Choice. Diamond Choice. That is the designer. Make some noise for her, please. Shama performing. Diamond Choice, 91, amazing outfits. Amazing outfits. This is out of the world. Alien wear. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, Diamond Choice. Please make some noise as they make their grand exit. Thank you so much, Diamond Choice. Amazing. Shama, God bless you. Amazing. Amazing. Ladies and gentlemen, Diamond Choice making their grand exit. Please face us. Diamond Choice making their grand exit, ladies and gentlemen. Amazing wears, amazing outfits. Looking so stunning. Walking with class. Amazing clothes. Diamond Choice or nothing. Oh yes, you cannot wear Diamond Choice and know you beautiful from head to toe. It is not possible. Diamond Choice alone can provide you that. Wonderful outfits, amazing outfits, good looking.